Oh my God, gorgeous wife, check this bad boy out.
Moving on, it's time to talk about peak floor traffic light systems. Hit it, egg. Here's Chris Harris in a new supercar. This is the Lamborghini Sian.
Oh my goodness me.
That means Thunderbolt. And that means this is a hybrid. Yes, Lamborghini has finally entered the electric era. And as you'd expect, it's not done it subtly.
Oh.
This spaceship of a supercar melts petrol and electricity to generate over 800 horsepower.
Oh my God, 800 horsepower.
Short of the most powerful Lamborghini ever made.
Oh, yes, please. Let's be having it.
Why am I not as excited as I should be? Don't get me wrong, it looks brilliantly ridiculous.
Oh my God.
But there was a time when a new supercar, especially a new Lamborghini, was a big event. Now it seems there's a new supercar from Ferrari or Lamborghini or McLaren every other week.
Let's be having it. Oh, that must be
So,
good. Let's go.
let's see if the Sian can stand out from the crowd.
Oh, yes, please. Yes, please. Oh, yes, please. Yes, it can. This is how we drive here, wife. Wow, that is sensational. Oh. Oh my word.
This is a very, very fast car. And when it comes to the whole hybrid thing, the Sian is also different.